This is Digivation Network.
The Nigerian Academy of Engineering, after its 2021 Academy Technology Dinner and Lecture, awarded the Nigerian Communications Commission for its immense contribution to engineering in the country. The Executive Vice Chairman of the NCC, Professor Omar Garaba Dambata, was at hand at the event to receive the award on behalf of the board and management of the Commission. Professor Dambata, while expressing his appreciation for the recognition by the Academy, also spoke on key performance indicators of telecommunication services, highlighting drop calls as one of the major parameters, and stated that the Commission insists that out of 100 calls, only one is allowed to be dropped.
I had no prior knowledge of this award. I came in order to grace this important occasion. It is a dinner, organized by all fellows, because the induction of new fellows is going to take place tomorrow, and this is normally preceded by this dinner, and so it came to me as a very pleasant surprise that the Nigerian Communications Commission is recognized. I'm talking about the efforts, the Commission, is making, to support, the engineering family in all their, activities. And so I would like to congratulate the board and management of the Nigerian Communications Commission for this great honor. As you are aware, we have key performance indicators characterizing quality of service, about 7 of them. The commonest one, that is the parameter that characterizes quality of service, is drop call. That is the phenomenon that most citizens of this country are familiar with. We try as much as possible to ensure that the stipulations of the Nigerian Communications Commission are respected, with regards to this important, parameter. We insist that out of 100 calls, only one is allowed to be dropped.
The NCC board stated that the NCC has the capacity to monitor the KPIs across the country, and where the mobile network operators MNOs fall short of the accepted standard of quality of service, the Commission always draw the attention to the KPIs.
When these KPIs, are, produced, and they were given to MNOs, their attention was drawn at the point of assignment of licenses. They were told in very clear terms that we intend to enforce this, KPIs. And we have a way to monitor them and ensure that they are adhered with, okay? Meaning we have the capacity to measure these KPIs, including, the SPIPE that I did not state, but primarily the 2 that I have stated. And this we can be able to do across the entire length and breadth of this country, in states of the Federation, even in local government areas. Okay, so in the event we discover any MNO not meeting these important stipulations, we do draw their attention. In so area, your quality of service is below the acceptable standard, and you must do something about it in order to address this important, regulatory observation. If we notice failure to address, this verbal, regulatory directive, then we take action, by writing. At times we even go the whole length of, taking that important regulatory action of last resort, which is sanction.
This is Digivation Network.